and welcome to another episode of Mixology Monday. We got Jake, and I'm Robbie, and today we're doing a special drink. We're gonna do a Basil Rum Peach Mule. All right, so for this drink, you're gonna need the following ingredients. You're gonna need our Basil Carolina Rum, fabulous basil infused rum, one of a kind, first export. This thing is awesome, especially in the summertime, but we also have winter cocktails on this channel for that. So you're gonna need basil rum. You're also gonna need limes. You're gonna need
peach nectar, which can be found at the grocery store, international aisle, maybe juice aisle, just depending on, look both places.
Yeah.
And then ginger beer. We're using Fever Tree today, but your ginger beer of your choice is fine. Just really whichever one you like.
Yeah. So to start this drink off, we're gonna put 2 ounces of basil rum in each of these glasses here. Okay. All right, I'll take care of that.
Thank you.
Tom Cruise.
Good fancy.
2, 4. I don't think I did enough in those. Just a little tiny.
That's fine.
All right, so we've got our basil rum in the glass. Now we're gonna put some lime in there.
Alrighty.
We're gonna do half a lime for each of these drinks. You can do more, you can do less. I'd recommend starting with half a lime.
Yeah.
Half a lime is...
Well, I would say if you're going to use a bottle of lime juice, if you don't have fresh limes, I'd start with a 1/4 ounce, I think, and then work up from there, because I think the juice tends to be a little bit stronger than just fresh lime juice, or the bottled stuff tends to be a little bit stronger.
And limes are traditionally a little smaller too, so...
Traditionally, but recently I've been finding limes that were bigger than lemons. So,
Monster limes, crazy.
Best judge on your part.
So we've got the limes in there. Now we're gonna add some peach nectar. Like Jake said, you can find this in the international store of most grocery stores.
And
or in
1
the
ounce
juice
piece.
ounce.
Yeah, I'd say look both places, because I don't know exactly where it would always be in a grocery store.
And I'm sorry, you said 1 ounce of peach
1
nectar
ounce
for each one?
in each one, yeah.
Cool.
To start, you can always adjust that. And then we're just gonna top with ginger beer.
Looking good. I'll give that a quick stir, gentle stir. We don't want to get rid of all the bubbliness of the ginger beer. We just want to incorporate the ingredients.
Add a little lime garnish there to make it look fancy.
Looks pretty legit to me. All right, folks, there you have it. That is our Basil Rum Peach Mule. Hope you enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and our website. We have so many cocktails on this channel now, so don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mixology Monday. And cheers. Thanks for watching.
Cheers.
Cheers, bro.